In the quest for a healthier home, the Smart Air Quality Monitor with Wi-Fi emerges as a powerful ally. This innovative device offers continuous monitoring of PM1, PM2.5, and PM10 levels, ensuring that the air you breathe is clean and safe. Round-the-clock monitoring. The monitor keeps a vigilant eye on the particulate matter in your indoor environment. PM1, PM2.5, and PM10 particles, which can originate from various sources like outdoor pollution, smoking, or everyday household activities, are closely tracked. This ensures that you're always aware of the air quality and can take immediate action if necessary. Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless access. With its Wi-Fi connectivity feature, the monitor syncs with your home network, allowing you to access real-time air quality data anytime, anywhere. Through a user-friendly app, you can monitor the air quality, set alerts, and review historical data, all from the convenience of your smartphone. Designed for ease. Setting up the monitor is as simple as connecting to your Wi-Fi. Its sleek design and user-friendly interface make it a seamless addition to any smart home. Maintenance is minimal, with the device's reliable sensors requiring only occasional calibration. A step towards a healthier lifestyle. By integrating the Smart Air Quality Monitor into your home, you're taking a significant step towards improving your living conditions. Armed with real-time data, you can make informed decisions to enhance the air quality, creating a healthier environment for you and your loved ones. For those eager to learn more about how this smart monitor can benefit your home, feel free to reach out. Visit my page and send an email using the provided address. I'll be sure to respond within 24 hours with all the details you need. Let's make every breath count.